Keto-friendly low-carb chili. Ingredients: 2 pounds lean ground turkey, 1 small white onion, chopped, 2 bell peppers, chopped, 1 jalapeno, diced, 2 14.5 ounces cans diced tomatoes, no salt added, 1 garlic clove, chopped, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of ground paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, salt and pepper to taste. Directions: 1. Place the 2 pounds of ground turkey, 1 onion, 2 bell peppers, and 1 jalapeno into a large stock pot and heat over medium-high heat. 2. Cook down the meat and veggies, stirring on occasion until the turkey is browned and cooked through fully and the vegetables are tender. 3. Add in the 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 garlic, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1 teaspoon cumin. Stir well to combine. 4. Bring the mixture back to a simmer, then cover and reduce the heat to low to cook for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring on occasion. 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Thank you for watching and enjoy.